it's Girls with Heart Ambassador Emma, and I'm going to be teaching you a little dance combo. Okay, so let's get in the combo. So what you first do is you push your arms like this, and you step forward, and then you go into a second or a fourth onto your elbow. Then you do that to the other side, you push, then you go again, and then after that, you're going to do a kickball change with your arms up. So then you're going to go kick, ball change with your arms down. Then you're going to put your arms in a circle with your legs together, and you're going to spin. So you're going to go here. And then after that, you're going to jump out to a second. You're going to grab, put it to your hip. And you can grab your other arm and put it to your hip. Okay, let's start. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this, you're going to swivel your leg front, then out. Your arms are going to kind of do the same thing. So you're going to go across, then your arms are going to go out in a second, and your leg's going to go to 90. So you're going to go front and 90. Then you're going to ball change. And you're going to pop this one straight, and you're going to kind of body roll. Then you're going to step 1, 2, body roll. Then you're going to go 1, and then you're going to end like this. Okay, so I think you're ready. Now let's put it to music.
You're worth it all, 'cause this is your world, my girls. Yeah, we'll be taking over our world. It's your world. So let's do it justice. Taking over.
Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome justice videos like this one. And just remember, live justice!